Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Google phone guys phone apps notification guys how to use. Friends you want to use friends you want to off guys your Google phone guys any app notification guys you don't want notification on your screen. So how to off guys Google phone guys phone apps notification today friends we are going to talk about in this video guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how to off guys Google phone guys phone apps notification. Example guys, you don't want notification YouTube, Chrome, guys your any app guys, Google file app guys, your photos app guys. So guys we will on phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will search here phone notification guys, app notification guys. We will search here guys app notification guys. So guys we will search here phone apps notification. Friends you can see guys your notification setting here guys. So friends you can friends come back. First of all guys direct guys we will click on this notification setting, and friends you can see app setting guys, tap here. So guys now you can find guys your app notification here. Friends click on most recent guys, tap here guys, click on all app setting. So friends you can check guys your all app list here guys, A to Z guys, A to Z your all app list here. So friends first app guys you can see this Android. So when you can see guys your phone Chrome app guys, you want to on notification guys, you can on guys, you can allow guys this notification from here, and guys this Chrome app notification will on, and friends you can use this notification setting from here. And friends you want to off guys any notification guys, this game notification guys I don't want to use, so guys I can off from here. As you can see when I will off guys this my game notification guys, the game notification will not come on my screen. Friends you can see Google notification guys you want to off, so guys you can turn off from here. So like that guys you can use guys your phone apps notification guys, you can on, and guys you can off which app guys you want notification guys, you can on from the right side shortcut setting, and guys you want to on, so guys you can on from here guys, you can allow. As you can see this notification we will on it. So like that guys we can on and off, and we can use our Google phone guys phone apps notification settings. So bye guys.